one is the how to working with cells. Our Excel sheet includes various type of cells. Here there is various rows and columns, and each row and column includes cell. Like here there is in one word written dashing. So the dashing includes the cell. Now our next one is the formatting the text. Formatting the text also plays a very important role. Why? Because it includes various type of components like underline, bold, italic. These are called the formatting the text. Like if you want to make a change in the font style, it can include in the formatting the text. Now come to our topic. Our topic is the using Excel as a database. Class, basically a database is a collection of information which is related to a particular subject, which includes various type of rows and columns. So a database consists of fields and records. In simple term, records refers to a rows and fields refers to a column. So in short, database includes field, records and field name. So a Excel database is used to keep a track of information, where data form is a dialog box and where we can use to enter our data. So a data form provides the option to delete a particular record or sorting the data. Now class, our next topic includes that how to using to form a enter data. Like if I want to enter a data, firstly I have to make a record. Like here I have a record of 3 students which includes roll number, name, English, Hindi, maths marks. Like if I want to make a total of these marks here, then how could I find the totaling? Simply put the is equal to sign. Now then bracket start. Then click on this button English. Then put a plus sign. Afterwards this cell is called a D2. Again plus sign. Then maths icon. Then we can close the bracket. Afterwards put the enter button. This is the way that how we can do a totaling of marks. Simply we can easily make a totaling of the other 2 students marks by simply dragging the mouse. This is the way that how we can do a totaling of marks. Same with the percentage of marks. Simply we can add these marks and make a percentage of it. So class, if we can talk about field name and records, these are called field names like English, Hindi, maths. These are called field names. Now if we can talk about the records, these are called the records. These are called the records. So our database consists of various tables which includes field name, records, column, rows, etc. Class, in the same way, if we can edit a new record, then simply click it here, write the number, roll number 4 and with the name, that is the Kirti. So this is the way that how we can enter a new record also. Fine. Now if I want to add a marks of Kirti in English, simply click it and then add the marks. So this is the way of entering or editing a data. Like if I want the totaling of all these marks of Kirti, so how can I find its totaling? Simply I can click it here and then drag it. So this is the marks of Kirti. How it is possible that by simple dragging the mouse we can easily got the totaling marks? Why? Because we already put the formula is here regarding the totaling of marks. See here, this is the formula which we already put. So this is the way that how we can make a database in the MS Excel. So in short, MS Excel includes various type of inbuilt formulas which includes calculations, subtraction, division, etc. So class, read this chapter carefully from the book and try these formulas at home. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.